Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to fix back button not showing problem on any Oppo phone. Now to fix this issue, first of all, just open settings, then tap on system and update. From here, tap on system navigation. Now instead of gesture navigations, just select buttons. And once you do that, you will fix the back button not showing problem on your Oppo phone. But if this did not fix your issue, then this could be caused because of a setting which you have enabled. To fix this issue, just go back and tap on Backup and Reset. Then tap on Reset Phone and select Reset All Settings. Now just enter your lock screen PIN and select Reset. Now this option will not delete any data of your smartphone. It will only reset all the settings of your smartphone. And this is how you can fix the back button not showing problem on any Oppo phone. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.